So if you guys own a CL9 TSX, you probably already know that there are a ton of different grills available for this car. Now mine is absolutely smoked, so we're gonna be changing mine out for an OEM replacement that I found on Amazon. I honestly haven't decided exactly which bumper and grill I wanna go with long term, so this is just to hold us over for now. Let's get to it. So for us, this is looking pretty simple. We got 2 bumper clips, and then we've got 2 JDM zip ties here as well. Ta-da! Alright guys, here's a side-by-side of the old and new grill. You guys will see that we gotta actually save our badge from the original. So that is just 2 screws here on the back side. So we're gonna get those out and install it on the new grill. Alright guys, so here's our new grill looking great. Honestly, it's not the best fit on the badge. It's not like super tight. There's definitely like a seam around the edge. But like I said, for now, I think this is gonna be just fine. Alright guys, so here we are all mounted up in the car. I gotta say, this fitment is kind of buns. Could definitely be better. There's a huge gap down here. And honestly, I think the biggest problem with it is that this grill just kind of wants to sit down a little bit more. There's really no way to get that to settle from, like, without going in the back and tying it down to something. And even still, we got like a ½ inch of gap here. It's pretty bad. So probably gonna go for an OEM one at some point, but for now, this is much better than the one that we had. See how she looks all together. Not half bad compared to where we started. Like I said, still definitely not great. There's definitely some gap in there, so it's not perfect, but honestly, compared to what we had before, I'm pretty happy. Not gonna lie to you guys, it was probably a hasty decision to pick this up without looking at some OEM ones first. They're probably not that much more money, but if you guys do want to pick this one up for yourself, I am gonna leave a link down in the description below. As always guys, if you did enjoy the video or found it useful at all, feel free to leave a like down below, subscribe for more car. As always guys, if you did enjoy the video or found it useful at all, feel free to leave a like down below, subscribe for more just like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.